We are a company that has spent 26 years on diligent research and development in the field of hair loss and hair disorders, scalp disorders, and are probably the company that has spent the most funds and energy in this field, being an independent, fairly small company. Our program and our treatments are 100% customized to the individual. Each client's extract that they apply to the scalp are handmade, and it's customized and tailored to the individual's needs at that particular point in their treatment. All the other products have a purpose in the treatment, meaning when we give a certain shampoo to a person that's in treatment, that shampoo is a treatment, it's not a shampoo. Everything has a purpose. We have a certain goal that we need to achieve within a certain period of time, and that can only be done by applying the right amount of treatment and the correct advice throughout the life of that treatment, so that we finally will get to the point where we see enough results for the client to be happy.